If you are using version 18.2 of After Effects and you are on a Mac, then you might run into this nasty bug. Adobe has introduced a critical bug in this release that prevents the import of JPEG files whenever you open a project file that was saved in an earlier version of After Effects. In this video I'll show you how you can solve this problem. Now, I only have access to a Windows PC right now, but the steps I show you have been tested on Macs and will solve this specific problem. I have a template project file here that is using JPEG sequences as assets. To quickly find these assets, I can just type JPEG in the search bar in the project panel and it will show me all JPEG assets in the project. Now, right-click on the assets and choose Replace Footage File. If you are using a project file that you got from a client or you downloaded from a website, then all the assets will be in a folder called Footage. You can see the same folder structure in that directory as in the After Effects project panel, so it is easy to find the correct folder where the assets reside. In my case, I do not have a single image as asset, but a sequence of JPEG files. So in my case, I select the first file of the sequence and I make sure that the sequence option is checked in the import dialog. You can see that the file type has changed in After Effects. Now I just repeat this with every other JPEG asset and then my project should be fully functional again and I can save it as a new file. Now, if you have a lot of old project files or templates, then you will run constantly into this error. So it might be wise to just go back to version 18.1 of After Effects until Adobe fixes this problem in a later release. Inside the Creative Cloud app, scroll through your list of installed apps and find After Effects version 18.2. Right next to the Open button, click on the three little dots and choose Other Versions. Then choose 18.1 and click on Install. It will then replace the 18.2 version with the 18.1 version on your system.